Well, I just started watching my video today, and this is what I got. This is the weirdest friggin' thing. It's like static on YouTube. Invalid parameters. Focus. Well, it started doing bodywork on her. Got this all sanded down real nice. Underneath there, sanded down up to that line there. Got a hole. It's not good, so I have to fix that. And I've started along the back wall, doing all these little areas. So it's coming along. I gotta brake clean the frig out of that and scrub her down. That's where I was mocking up the stacks. I think I'm gonna go about a foot over the roof for the stacks. I'm gonna be taking this off. I'll put one of my stickers on it. And Bob will be your uncle. Well, I'm gonna put my sticker on it. Sniff. Nice. Oh, this is bloody fantastic. It's starting to rain and I haven't even finished painting yet. Damn it. Ah, crap. I don't even have anything to friggin' tarp over this or nothing. This frickin' sucks. Go away. Dang it. I hope it doesn't rain off. I gotta get this stuff covered. Well, bottom thread's good. The top bolt was so loose, it was finger tight. So I'm wondering if it just rattled and fell out. Very possible. So I gotta get another one of those. I think it's an M10 by 1.5. And then I'll have to get one of these or make one of these. Shouldn't be hard. I think I've got some of this material already. It's not the same inner diameter, but outer diameter it'll be damn close. So I'm sure I've got something that'll work. But that's good news. That makes me happy. So with that thread part being okay in the head, I guess I can drill and tap my manifold in there. I thought I might have to remove it. If that bolt didn't thread in, I would have had to remove the exhaust manifold and maybe, well, I don't know, deal with the situation that could have been, but it's not, so I don't. Can't get any more confusing than that. So I've had different people tell me different things. A bunch of guys just tap into the manifold. Other guys tap into the turbo downpipe. I don't know what to do. I don't know if this is cast all the way up to like there or something, so I'm not exactly sure where I want to drill and tap it, but suppose I can just look online and figure it out by looking at where people installed theirs. I use this blue LED as a coolant leak detector and stuff, because coolant glows orange when it's under weird light. So actually, there's no funky glow coming off that, so I think that's alright. That's good news. This valve cover is nasty, but with a little bit of wiping, holy crap, cleans right up. I gotta figure out how to do in between all the letters and stuff, but all I'm using is a freaking rag or a paper shop towel. I just friggin' wipe it and it comes right off. Yeah, I Don't really like that part there, but the rest of it's kind of cool. Too bad I didn't have any friggin' letters that I could put there instead of that, cause yeah. But anyways, yeah, I'll just keep at her. I'll just remove that liner stuff, that sound deadening or whatever. It's a friggin' mouse nest right on top of the friggin' valve cover. Pretty nasty. So I think I'm gonna grab the air compressor and friggin' blast it, because there's mouse crap in here and all in there and stuff, and I don't want to be working in that or breathing it. So yeah, I think I'll try to find an old toothbrush or go pick up one from the dollar store and give the old valve cover a scrub. That looks so much better, friggin' clean black, than the dirty friggin' grunge covered crap brown. Yeah, I like shiny. Oh, that's a lot cleaner. Frig. So now I gotta go get my toothbrush. Scrub it dub. Friggin' $1.50. Well, she's clean as frig now. All the way up into the back. That was a little bit difficult to get to, but I did her. That looks a lot better now too. But yeah, my batteries are gonna die on my camera. Friggin' sucks. This thing's freaking grimy now. But yeah, looking pretty good. Man, I love that shiny valve cover. Yeah. I also polished up the alternator bracket, but looks like I missed a couple spots. It just wipes off super easy. Love it. I really want to make this truck look really nice. It's my first, most expensive truck, actually. I've never paid over $1,000 for a vehicle, so I want to make this one real nice. Alrighty, well, I got my instructions for drilling the manifold. Apparently it's split right down the middle. It's solid all the way to the end of the flange, because there's two different intakes for the turbo. So that's where you want to go, off the rear. Yeah. 5/8 from center and about 2 inches from the flange. So that's where I'm going to drill it. And they say you don't even have to take the manifold off. You just drill it and then use a magnet or something to pick out all the filings. Before I get too deep, I'm going to put some grease on the end of the drill bit. One of the guys suggested doing that so it picks up filings as it goes. George, I think I got it. You don't want to go too deep because national pipe thread is tapered, and if you go too deep then you'll friggin' flare the threads out too much and you won't be able to get a good seal on it. Yeah, I'm through. Well, I'm not sure what the last thing you guys seen was because my batteries died, so now I got her plugged in. But yeah, tapped it and ran it, so it's all connected now. I just gotta find my zap straps. I gotta find some conduit and stuff too. But yeah, that's where you want to tap it. It's friggin' right. So now my boost gauge and pyrometer are completely installed. Now I just gotta finish up a bit of bodywork and Bob will be your uncle. Well, this thing was broken, so what I did is I took a piece of plastic off of a relay, the little tab thing that you screw to, and I friggin' welded it on with my handy dandy soldering station. So this thing is friggin' solder as frig. So I'm pretty sure that that metal pin in there, I can't really go much further because it's all my leash allows me to right now. But I'm pretty sure that they had a little clip in there that snapped onto the rod, just like the door pins or door rods and stuff like that. But I don't have one of those, and I don't think it's on the floor anywhere. So I'll see how this does, and if I need to adjust it, I'll figure something out. Well, I couldn't find any cable or nothing to make another one, so what I did is I just took a piece of rod and bent it a little. Now it works perfect. So hopefully the e-brake doesn't stick. But, nice. Friggin' nice. Now I'll check the back. Friggin' cord. I'll check the back just in case they locked up and can't release or nothing. Oh, e-brake works now. The friggin' drums spin freely now. Friggin' rats. Awesome. Well, this side of the cab's looking a lot better. No more rusty bits. I just got a coat of white primer on there for now. I think that might be enough. Still need to do down there a little bit more. But I did the back of the cab as well, you can see. So I'm going to need to wash the rest of the cab and get it back shiny white. Yeah, the door needed a couple spots as well. I did, where was it? There and there, there and there, as well as up top. It had quite a big section of it that was chewed out, so I need to sand the primer down a bit and then paint it. Yeah, it's looking a lot better. Well, as good as it can. There's freaking dents and dings in it and stuff, but I just wanted to get rid of the nasty rust that was bleeding down. Focus. Yeah. Then I got some dents on the fender too. They're just dents, so I'm not worried about dents. Or little rock chips, I'm not too worried about those. Not yet. But, I need to do the headlights soon. Oh, there's another spot I'll touch up. Friggin' sand her down, get her shiny, and then paint it and stuff. There goes Wes. But, yeah, she's coming along. I just freaking really like this valve cover. That looks damn good. Yep. Looks like this fender needs some friggin' work too. Just a little chip on her. But I guess I should get removing these lights. Oh, this one's completely broken. I wonder if that just pops out maybe. Well, I guess I'll get to this. I think 1, 2, and 3, and that should be off. So, I'll see if that's that difficult. Well, that'll do it for me today. Thanks for watching, guys, and until tomorrow, take care. I'm